Waking up to ocean waves in Kawazu was amazing. We really got a sense of why people come here to get away from the hustle and bustle of Tokyo. And it looks like it was going to be a beautiful day to go see the 7 waterfalls of Kawazu. So we just went to 7-Eleven. We got some bao bun. There's nothing else open at this time.
Yeah.
So we got a bao bun.
That is hot.
Hot.
That big. Oh, that's the bottom.
So we just went to the Kawazu station from our hotel, which is about a 17-minute walk. And we just made it as the bus was leaving. Oh, that's a road. It's like a really cute.
That is not, and I'm gonna make wish. I wish I'm rich.
Oh!
Oh man, almost there.
Thank you, Dan.
Spidey, we did it.
We did it. We went, saw probably 5 or 6 out of the 7 waterfalls, but we saw the biggest one. Got some video of that. And, pretty incredible. The beauty, amazing. And we did it. And we made it back to the bus on time. We're on a tight schedule, so we're going to now go back with the bus about a half hour to Kawazu Station, where we're hopefully going to rent a taxi to the hotel. And then, if not, we're going to have to hike again. It's about an 18-minute hike, but it's pretty. There, we're going to take the train back to Atami Station. And then from there, we're renting a car, finally, hopefully. And then we're going to take the car about an hour north to Oshino, to the Mount Fuji region. And there's a historical town there in Oshino that we're looking forward to. It has 6 springs. Back in Atami, we were able to successfully rent the car. And now we were going to hit the road to the Mount Fuji region to Oshino Hakkai, a historic village that is now a popular tourist destination.
All right, we got the car. It's flip-flopped. Everything's on the opposite side of here, but we're making it work.
Even though it was on the other side of the road, driving was very easy in Japan because everybody seemed to take their time and not be in too big of a rush.
Where are we?
You know it.
We are at, I don't know how to pronounce.
Oshino
Oshino?
Hakkai.
Oshino Hakkai. Oshino Hakkai. We are at Oshino Hakkai. You know what? It will be perfect with my shaved ice at home.
Yeah.
These are ramen pork set. You got a peach drink. It's good.
Wow, I'm having
Good. Fresh chicken.
got rice.
The lady gave us just because we had a little bit of malfunction on the machine. And I told her I didn't want to think we're cheating her. So she said, oh, no. And she gave us this one. Matcha ice cream with a waffle sandwich.